Welcome to this SFTP Gateway tutorial by Thorn Technologies. My name is Bryce, and in this video, I will be showing you how to integrate Google Authentication with SFTP Gateway. Before we get started, make sure you have a domain name configured for your SFTP Gateway instance, as this is required when integrating Google Authentication with the SFTP Gateway web admin interface. If you already have a domain name configured, we can get started with setting everything up. Navigate back to the Google console, and from here, search API and Services. And then, in the left menu, go to Credentials. Under Credentials, we're going to create a new OAuth 2.0 client ID. So, at the top, click the Create Credentials button. And from here, choose the OAuth client ID. Under the application type, we're going to select Web Application. Next, we're going to configure a name. And then, under the Authorized JavaScript Origins, we're going to click the Add URI. This is going to be https:// and then the name of your domain. And then we're going to configure an authorized redirect URI. Click the Add URI button. This is going to be https:// again, the name of your domain, /backend, /login, /OAuth2, /code, and then a custom name. The value can be anything you'd like, but remember it, because we're going to need it when creating the identity provider and SFTP Gateway. Once everything is configured, you may click Create. Once your OAuth2 client ID is created, click into it. We now have everything we need to set up the identity provider and SFTP Gateway. With that being said, you can now navigate back to the SFTP Gateway web admin interface. And under the settings page, scroll down until you see Identity Providers. From here, you may click Add New Identity Provider. First, we're going to configure the Identity Provider display name. This is the name that is going to show up on the web admin login page. Note that the name is going to be prepended with sign in with. So, on the web admin login page, it will say sign in with Google Auth. Next, we're going to configure the issuer URI. This is going to be https://accounts.google.com. Now we're going to retrieve the client ID and client secret, which you can find in your OAuth2 client configuration page. Going to copy the client ID, paste, and then do the same for the client secret. The value of the name attribute is going to be sub, in all lowercase. And for the registration ID, this is going to be the custom name you configured when creating your OAuth2 client ID, as you can see in the redirect URI. Once you've configured everything for your identity provider, you may click Save. Scroll down to confirm your identity provider has successfully created, and then in the top right for your admin, click Logout. You'll now see the Sign In with Google Auth. When you click the link, you'll be brought to the accounts.google.com page we configured for the issuer URI. Since I've already authenticated earlier, I've been automatically signed in. However, from your view, it will ask you to choose a Google account to authenticate with. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to stay up to date with all our SFTP Gateway videos and tutorials. Thanks, and as always, have a splendid day.